In this video, we will see how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80246001 on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of Windows Update error code, here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key. And here from the left side, go to System. Thereafter, from the right side, look for the option Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot. Here choose Other Troubleshooters. And run Windows Update Troubleshoot. Troubleshooting is an Windows inbuilt tools which are helpful in various type of major and minor issues related to your Windows problems. It will not only detect the issue, resolve them accordingly, follow on-screen instruction to complete the process. And check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on Start button and choose Run. To open Run dialog box, you may press Win plus R shortcut key and here type services.msc. Type services.msc and click on OK. It will open Services windows in your system. Services windows will now open. Here, look for the first services, Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on it and choose Restart Services. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. Apply same process for services, and the next one is cryptographic services. Right click on it and choose restart. First choose a start. If you already found it in a start mode, then restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. The next one is Windows Installer Services. Look for Windows Installer Services. Same process, right click on it and choose Restart or Start. Apply a double click on it to open its properties, and you can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the last one is Windows Update Services. Same, right click on it and choose first a start, otherwise restart Windows Update Services. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Choose apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows Search and type open disk cleanup. Select the drive you want to clean up. Choose C drive where your program files are installed, and a new window will open. Disk cleanup for Windows C. Make the check against various type of recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnail, download folders. You may check against all the options and finally click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows Search and type CMD in search field and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator. Command prompt windows will now open, and here in command prompt windows, first execute these three DISM tool as shown on the screen: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And after successfully execution of DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now. sfc space / scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted file system. Wait till 100% completion of scanning. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. You must restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, on the same prompt Windows, execute some Windows Update components. As shown on screen, execute all these Windows Update components one by one, followed by enter key on each time. First, stop these 4 services one by one. Execute these 4 services to stop them, followed by enter key on each time. And after that, execute these commands one by one. All this command path will also available in my videos description box. You may copy from there. So execute all these commands one by one. And after that, execute these 4 commands to start all those 4 services you have earlier stopped them. So execute one by one, followed by enter key on each time. After that, restart your system. Your Windows Update error code definitely be resolved.